Check out this 2012 Chevrolet Avalanche. If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission, find your way easily with the included navigation system. Treat yourself to the splendor of a premium sound system. Anti-lock brakes help you bring your vehicle to a safe stop. Heated seats are a desirable comfort feature. This car has separate passenger temperature controls, and memory settings make for a more comfortable ride. Call today to schedule a test drive.